Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to insert page number on a specific page. So if you want your document to start on a specific page, you want the page number to start on a specific page, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So take for example, let's say you want your page number to start from let's say chapter 2 for example. Okay, you want it to start counting um, uh, number one, page one from chapter two, then page two, chapter three, then page three from chapter four. I'm going to be showing you all of that. All right. So to get started, now this I'm currently on the home. So when you click on home here, and you click on this paragraph marks, you click on it, it will show you the page break for the document. Okay, so there's a page break here, page break here, a page break here. All right, so I want page one to start from this particular chapter two. I want page one to start from here. Why from here, let's say from the table of contents, I want Roman numeral to reflect. So to do that, so this is page break. Okay, so I'm just going to remove that. Okay, so let's click on this paragraph marks again. Okay, so you click here. Now you come to layout, click on layout. Now you click on breaks. Okay, now under page breaks, you can see page column text wrapping, but this time around you come to session breaks. Okay, so under session breaks, click on next page. Okay, good. Click the next page. So once you go to your home and you click on the paragraph marks again, you see this one is showing page break. But when you come here, just double tap, you see it is showing session break. All right. Okay, good. So now remember, we want our now click on paragraph marks to remove the marks. So remember, we want page one to start from chapter two, right? So you double tap on the footer section. Now from here you can see footer section 2. Okay, now if you scroll up, you will see footer section 1. Okay, so it's already divided into sections. Now but if you want to number this and you want to start from page 1, want chapter 2 to start from page 1, it is what you're going to do. Okay, you see same as previous here, right? Okay, if you come here under navigation, you click on link to previous, remove it from link. That shouldn't link to the previous one. Okay, okay, good. Now we want it to start here, so we are currently on chapter 2. Okay, so what you do, you come to page number and you come to format page number. Okay, okay, so you want the number format you want is 1 to 3 and you want it to start from 1, so it's already there, so you click on OK. I come back, page number bottom page, so you click this. Now as you can see, page 1 starts from chapter 2, right? Now if you want to insert Roman numeral for footer section 1, what you need to do, come to the footer section 1. You can click on any of the footer section 1. Okay, then you come to page number, then you come to format page numbers, you change to Roman numeral since you want the section 1 footer section 1 to carry Roman numeral. Okay, so you select this option and you click on OK. Yeah, so right now I want to you now go back to page number, you go to bottom page, then you select this. Now automatically it has come up. Now this is the book title, the complete guide to digital marketing strategy. Now if you don't want the the page numbering to start from the book title, all you need to do is to click on different first page and it will remove it, so to start counting from here. Okay, so if you now, as you can see, we have Roman numeral 2, on table of content, then year 3, 4, right? And when it comes to chapter 2, you will see that it is showing 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's update the table of content. Now you click on update table of content. Okay. Now I've clicked on it, has updated automatically. As you can see, introduction to digital marketing is in Roman numeral 4. It is showing. And chapter 2 is showing from page 1. So that is how to insert, page number, to insert number on a specific page. All right. I hope you get it. See you in the next one. Thank you.